Do you know what keeps a massive industrial furnace alive and running 24/7? It's not just the heat, it's the fans, the powerful air circulation fans and cooling fans that make everything possible. Welcome back to Mechanical Guru, the home of industrial machines and engineering marvels. Today, we're uncovering the hidden heroes of furnace systems. Air circulation fans don't just move air, they keep the furnace breathing. They spread heat evenly, ensure consistent temperature, and cut down energy waste. Without them, industries would face poor performance and massive losses. Then come the cooling fans, silently protecting motors, bearings, and machinery from dangerous overheating. They extend the life of the furnace, save money, and keep production lines running smoothly without downtime. From steel plants to MDF factories, these fans are the unsung warriors of modern industry. Strong design, powerful motors, and aerodynamic blades make them unstoppable. And that's why they're not just parts, they're the backbone of industrial efficiency. This is the power of engineering. Stay tuned with Mechanical Guru for more billion-dollar machines, game-changing innovations, and real industry secrets that YouTube loves to push worldwide.